fam? Welcome back, Coach Nate here. If you woke up feeling tight shoulders, a stiff spine, or built up tension in your neck, this 5-minute stretch routine is exactly what you need. We're opening up the chest, mobilizing the spine, and loosening up the neck, so you start your day feeling open, strong, and energized. This routine is for anyone who wants to improve posture and shoulder mobility, release built-up tension in the spine, feel looser, lighter, and more flexible. No equipment is needed, just your mat and 5 minutes of commitment. Most people would likely hit snooze, but you're here. That's how you win the day before it even starts. Let's hit the mat. We're starting by opening up the chest and shoulders to counteract poor posture. Begin in a kneeling position with your knees hip-width apart. Place your hands on your lower back or grab your heels for a deeper stretch. Lift your chest toward the sky, arching slightly to open through the front of your body. Take deep breaths and feel your shoulders, chest, and spine expand. This stretch reverses the effects of slouching, improves shoulder mobility, and promotes better breathing capacity. Beginners, keep your hands on your lower back for support. Advanced stretches, arch deeper and look toward the sky. Now, let's mobilize the spine and create fluidity with cat-cow. Time to wake up the spine and build mobility through gentle movement. Start in a tabletop position, wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and look up. Cow pose. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin and press your hands. Cat pose. Flow through slow, controlled movements, syncing breath with motion. This movement warms up the spine, promotes flexibility, and releases lower back tightness. Beginners, move slower and focus on breath. Advanced stretches add small hip circles between movements. Now that we've activated the spine, let's deepen the extension with Cobra Stretch. Time to open the front body and strengthen spinal flexibility. Lie face down with your hands placed under your shoulders. Press through your palms to lift your chest, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Engage your core to avoid straining your lower back. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch in your abdomen, chest, and spine. Cobra Stretch improves spinal mobility, strengthens the back, and counteracts tightness from sitting. Beginners, keep your forearms on the mat, Sphinx pose. Advanced stretches, straighten your arms for a deeper extension. Now, let's stabilize the core and improve balance with Bird Dog. This move combines stability, balance, and core activation. Start in a tabletop position. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back. Keep your core engaged and your back flat and stable. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This movement improves coordination, strengthens the core, and stabilizes the spine to protect against low back pain. Beginners, keep your toes touching the floor for support. Advanced stretches, hold for longer or add a small weight. Let's release neck tension and finish with neck rolls. Final move. Time to release stiffness in the neck and shoulders. Sit or stand tall with your shoulders relaxed. Drop your chin to your chest, then slowly roll your head to the right. Continue rolling your head in slow circles, then switch directions. Keep movements controlled and smooth to avoid strain. This stretch reduces neck stiffness, improves mobility, and relieves tension headaches. Beginners keep the movement smaller and gentler. Advanced stretches add light pressure with your hand to deepen the stretch. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.